Right.
You hold my camera while I do the tank.
Okay.
I haven't really looked at this one much.
Okay, good.
Whoa, that tank is huge.
That is huge. That's so awesome.
Let's have it kind of crooked, because always the tank will vibrate.
Oh, okay. Let's see what we got here. Just nothing
No
really.
date on there.
No, I don't see any date.
It's quite old though.
Okay. Anything in the can?
Doesn't look like it.
Yeah.
Oh, I think this might be something. Look.
Oh, yeah.
12274.
Okay.
Do you think that's a date?
Yeah, I think maybe 1974.
12274.
Yeah.
That sounds like January 22, 1974.
That's awesome. Okay.
Oh, yep, that's an old toilet.
It sure is.
Old toilet! You had to hold the handle on this one.
Okay.
Oh, look, it still has the original fill valve.
Nice.
Look, Kohler K-9262. I'm assuming that's original.
Okay.
I think that's original. Do you think so?
I think so.
Oh, it's never filming, is it?
Okay.
The lighting in the woman's is different.
Okay, well, we'll have to see that
Does
too.
this line look how old? 70s?
Kind of.
I think the line in the woman's might be newer.
Okay.
This is the only point. The other building has new toilets, but I'm going to show you anyways. There's also a circular building that has no toilets.
Wow.
Are there any more buildings in the complex, or do you think that's it?
This is it, I think.
No, there's one more building with toilets.
Oh, interesting.
It's quiet enough to go in the men's there.
Nice.
They have an interesting toilet. Looks old. In the woman's, they have an interesting toilet. Looks old, but it's new.
Okay.
Find that interesting.
Okay.
Look at that huge tank.
It sure is.
It's pretty big.
Yeah.
I think this is a 5-gallon toilet.
Awesome.
Very old.
Wow.
Never seen a Kohler like this before. It's a Kohler Cayuga.
Wow. It is a big tank. I was thinking that too.
Checking. Oh, it's almost done.
Okay.
Kohler. See?
Okay. Cool.
Now you hold my camera.
Okay.
Do you think the lid goes on like this? Or what?
Yes, I do, because
the
the...
back's kind of warm.
Right.
Like it might bumped against the wall.
Right, I agree.
Does it look like it's bumped against the wall?
Yep.
I see a mark where it looks like the tank is also.
Okay.
I gotta move to the left a little bit.
Okay. Okay, push it back. Good job.